Hey guys, the King of Herbs here. In the previous video, we looked at the 10 most dangerous addictions. In this video, let's see on how you can actually do away with addictions in a very simple way. There are common ways of dealing with addictions, which include removing the cues that brings about the cravings. For example, if you're addicted to fast foods, a simple way of you dealing with that is removing the cues like not passing by the burger in or the chicken in, or even installing the food ordering applications on your phone. With such cues gone, it definitely becomes difficult to develop the craving for that addiction. That's just the simple way of doing it, but you may want to get stronger to an extent where that even if the cues exist, you still don't develop the craving. This is important because in this current age, it is very difficult to remove all the cues to the cravings. Because just look at it, from TV commercials to the billboard across the street, they all advertise the same things that you are trying to stop. So one way you can do away with addictions is actually to become stronger to an extent where even if the cues existed, then you don't develop the cravings for that addiction. So how do you do it? Let's find out. In the previous video, we looked at addictions develop as a result of engaging in high dopamine eliciting activities repetitively. When these highly exciting activities are repeated, your mind conforms to such excitement, making you want to do them again and again. This in turn makes you hate doing less exciting activities that may become more helpful, like watching your diet. Having known that, it becomes obvious that the most efficient way of dealing with addictions is through dopamine fasts, popularly referred to as dopamine detox. Well, for addictions such as social media, music, gaming, dopamine fasts can happen when you decide to take a break from engaging the activity for about a week. But the challenge still remains that you will still need your phone after the dopamine fast, and even many people find it more addictive after the break. Also, here's one thing that many people experience, that giving up an addiction once makes them develop anxiety, which makes it safer or feel safer to continue doing the activity that's addictive. But let's discover this mind-relaxing and mind-changing activity, meditation. The human brain is actually a very interesting organ. It has the capability of restoring lost functions such as the function of choice or will when it is led to focus on a single thing for a period of time. That is meditation. Contrary to some ancient beliefs, meditation does not require you to sit in a certain posture, listen to some cool music while emptying your mind. Well, that still may be regarded as meditation, but it is much more simpler than that. The easiest form of meditation that you can do for dopamine detox is actually focused breathing. I had shared this earlier in an earlier video. Each day for a period of about 15 minutes, you can sit on a chair or just lie on your bed and just focus on your breathing, ensuring that you breathe steadily and deeply. This activity helps your mind take notice of a very simple activity which is actually in the subconscious, which is breathing. Practicing this activity for a period of 2 months will enable you regain the powers and the functions of choice and of will. Having such powers will enable you have the grit to do that which is right and not that which you feel doing, which will help you overcome addictions. That is it from the King of Herbs. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. And as usual, I'm rooting for your health.